Hi, this is Chandrasekhar. Welcome to Math Chandra. 8th class mathematics లో భాగంగా రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ అయినటువంటి రేషనల్ నెంబర్ లో వాట్ ఈస్ ద అడిటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ? వాట్ ఈస్ ద అడిటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ? Additive identity zero is the additive identity for rational numbers. A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A. For example, A equal to rational number 2 by 5. 2 by 5 plus 0 equal to 0 plus 2 by 5 equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5 को మనం 0 యాడ్ చేస్తే 2 by 5 equal to 0 కు 2 by 5 యాడ్ చేసిన 2 by 5 equal to 2 by 5. Next, multiplicative identity. One is the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. A into 1 equal to 1 into A equal to A. For example, one rational number 3 by 5. A బదులు substitute 3 by 5 into 1 equal to 1 into A value is 3 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. Implies 3 by 5 into 1, 3 by 5 equal to 1 into 3 by 5 equal to 3 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. What is the additive identity? 0 is the additive identity. Multiplicative identity is 1. For rational number, A by B, we have A by B plus minus A by B equal to minus A by B plus A by B equal to 0. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ A by B మైనస్ A by B క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే 0 వస్తుంది. మైనస్ A by B ప్లస్ A by B క్యాన్సిల్, then result is 0. A by B minus A by B equal to minus A by B plus A by B equal to 0. Here minus A by B is the additive inverse of the A by B. Minus A by B is the additive inverse of the A by B. Next, A by B is the additive inverse of the minus A by B. A by B కి additive inverse వచ్చి minus A by B అయితే A by B కూడా additive inverse minus A by B అవుతుంది. Next, A by B into B by A equal to 1. B by, here A cancel, B cancel. B by A is the reciprocal of the a by b. a by b యొక్క reciprocal ఏమి b by a. Next, distributive of multiplication over addition and subtraction. If a comma b comma c are any three rational numbers, a into b plus c equal to ab plus ac. Next, a into b minus c equal to ab minus ac.